Now, looking at Nepal's unique positioning, climate change is a serious thing for us. There's globes melting, floods happening, and eventually probably drying up as well. So, if you were to talk about Nepal's energy mix, would you be focusing on run of the river or solar, or what would the mix look like from your angle for us to move ahead in the next 10 to 20 years?
If you look at Nepal, the main source of electricity production is still hydro. But as you rightly pointed out, we are facing the issues about climate change very much here in Nepal, as well as in all of the Himalayas. We are seeing that the precipitation patterns that we were having are changing, which is causing a lot of landslides, a lot of flash floods, and damages to infrastructure. So, just a few years back, I think it was 2024, when, 15 of our hydro projects were knocked out in one single day because of flash floods and very high intensity precipitation. Now, contrary to that, in the winter, we are having very little power, very little water in the rivers. Some estimates show that we are generating less than 20% of our installed capacity of our run-of-river hydros during the dry season. And that's because the glaciers are melting much faster. Why is that happening? That is because of pollution. We are importing power from India in the winter season, but what is that power we are importing? That's all coal-based power. Most of it is coal-based power, and all of that black carbon which is coming with that is sitting on our glaciers and causing them to melt faster. So very soon we may not have those water reservoirs. So we need to look at alternate sources of electricity in Nepal. And for Nepal, what we have seen is the only other possible source of electricity is solar. We do have a very good solar generation in Nepal. The intensity of solar radiations are very high, especially in the Tarai, but the highest are up in the mountains. If you go up to the high altitude deserts like Mustang, the solar radiation levels are very high, and we have flat deserts, just like Ladakh in India. And the possibility of doing solar generation is there. We are already doing a lot of solar generation in the Tarai, in the plains. Going forward, what I see is going to happen is hydro is still going to be our main source of electricity. Perhaps 80 to 85% we still will have hydro. But what type of hydro is more important? Run-of-river hydros will start, the new projects, there will be less number of run-of-river hydros, perhaps 20, 30% only. We need to focus on daily peaking run-of-river plants and storage hydros.